Se mis raíces se me vayan a olvidarme, tengo una tierra tan linda y tan grande que me la dio la gracia de Dios. Dominicano soy, dominicano. Machucado, machucado, machucado. Machucado, machucado, machucado. Machucado, machucado, machucado.
Ay, Chichi, llegó el profe. ¿Qué tal todos? Hoy vamos a hablar de los sonidos en español. So today we're going to talk about the Spanish vowels, okay? So let's get to it. Let's see. So this is what we're going to talk about today. Now remember, you can always pause the video or rewind it as many times as you want to if you want to take a closer look to the information that I'm providing here. If you think that I'm going too fast, you can always do that, okay? So I'm going to talk about the vowel sounds, some comparison and some examples about it. I'm going to talk about the common vowel combinations that we have, sounds that we should try to avoid if we can, and word endings in the Spanish language and the English language have in common, okay? And lastly, I'm going to go over the ABC in Spanish. So let's get to that. In Spanish, we have 5 vowels that we have to worry about. You heard it right, only 5, that's it. So it is very easy when it comes to pronunciation in Spanish. So these are the sounds that we have to worry about. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, remember those 5 are the only ones we need to worry about. A as in apple, E as in egg, I as in iguana, O as in or, U as in oops. Here are some examples. Ana, estudiante, isla, oso, uva. Now, keep in mind that wherever you see those vowels, it doesn't matter where you see them or the placement of them, it does not matter. The sound will always be the same. Even if they are repeated one after the other, you still have to pronounce them the same exact way, okay? Keep that in mind. Here are the combinations that we have that are very common in the Spanish language. So I'll go over the pronunciation of them while you take a look at the information, the rest of the information here. Okay? Baile, hay, auto, peine, deuda, gracias, siempre, adiós, ciudad, oír, hoy, cuando, bueno, muy. And now here's the sounds that you want to watch out for, okay? So these 3 vowels usually give English speakers a little bit of a problem, but with practice we will get them. So all you need is to practice them and sound them the same way. Like I said, it doesn't matter where you see them, okay? So instead of saying soy estudiante, we would like to say soy estudiante, okay? Instead of saying me llamo Omar, okay? We want to say instead me llamo Omar. Instead of saying usar mi celular, so you would like to say usar mi celular. Okay, so remember, they always sound the same. They never change. But these are the 3 vowels that you would like to watch out for. Here are some word endings that we have in Spanish and English that have something in common. Okay, so if you see them, take a look at them and compare them, you will notice that they have something in common. Okay, so I'll go over this one here. Información, profesión, diferente, general, posible, comunidad, usualmente. And lastly, like I said, I'm going to go over the ABCs, el abecedario in Spanish, okay, just for you to be familiar with it, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, B, W, or W, X, Y, and now we call Y, y Z. Ok, chicos, adiós, hasta luego.